Looking for the best cordless pruning shears in 2026. In this video, we review the top 5 best cordless pruning shears available in the market and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. The LYUWO 18 volts cordless electric pruning shears deliver impressive cutting performance for both home gardeners and professionals. Powered by a durable brushless motor, it ensures efficient operation, longer lifespan, and reduced maintenance. The sharp SK5 steel blade easily cuts through branches with precision, making pruning quick and effortless. Its compatibility with mount batteries adds convenience for users with existing tools. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it reduces hand fatigue during extended use. Overall, this pruning shear is a reliable, powerful, and user-friendly tool ideal for maintaining trees, shrubs, and garden plants with ease and accuracy. Number 4. The NewBeny Gears 30mm electric pruner is a handy and efficient tool for garden and orchard work. Equipped with a brushless motor and sharp SK5 steel blade, it delivers clean and precise cuts with minimal effort. Its 30mm cutting capacity suits fruit trees and bonsai trimming well. The cordless design and Makita 18 volts battery compatibility add flexibility and convenience. Lightweight and ergonomic, it reduces fatigue during extended use. Overall, it's a reliable and practical pruning tool for both hobbyists and professionals. Number 3. This 30mm cordless brushless electric pruning shear is a powerful and practical tool for garden maintenance. Its brushless motor ensures efficient performance and longer durability, while the sharp steel blade easily cuts branches up to 30mm thick. Designed for Makita 18 volts batteries not included, it offers excellent flexibility. Lightweight and ergonomic, it reduces fatigue, making it ideal for pruning trees, bonsai, and shrubs with precision and ease. Number 2. The NewBeny 65mm cordless electric pruning shears offer powerful performance for heavy-duty garden tasks. With a large 65mm cutting capacity and dual gear settings, it handles thick branches with ease. The sharp blade and efficient motor ensure smooth, precise cuts. Designed for Makita battery compatibility, it provides cordless convenience. Its ergonomic build reduces fatigue, making it ideal for extended pruning work. Number 1. The SC8605 SUCA 40mm lithium battery pruning scissors is a powerful and efficient tool for garden work. With a strong motor and sharp SK5 steel blade, it easily cuts branches up to 40mm thick. Its lithium battery provides 2 to 3 hours of use, while the cordless design ensures flexibility and reduced effort. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's ideal for pruning trees, shrubs, and bonsai.